So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone top screen corner blur showing after update iOS 17. Lot of iPhone user reported that. If you're also facing that issue in your iPhone, keep watching full video. There are few methods to fix that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time. Before moving to the videos, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Okay. Firstly, move to the first solution. The first solution is turn off your iPhone and then turn it on after 5 to 10 seconds. To do that, open iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on shutdown and restart your mobile after 5 to 10 seconds and it will fix your issue 100%. Okay. If that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check the iOS update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update on your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS. To check that, open iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on software update. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update. It will fix your screen issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay. After that, you can easily fix your screen issue. If that method is also not working for you, then make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone screen. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone screen, just connect the nearest Apple store. They will fix your issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone screen corner showing blur after iOS 17 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.